Okay, there we go, YouTube. So yesterday I went through a series of Scotch Brite pads from coarse to fine and took down the whole finish until it was pretty smooth, polished it up, and then applied some clear coat. I had some old spray-on clear coat, put a thick coat of that on, let it dry overnight, and then I even did the red reverse letter, kind of like the factory shift knob. So I think that is really nice. Came out nice and smooth. There's a slight recess on all the lettering. Just check the sizes here. So here's the factory shift knob, about 47 millimeters diameter. And this one is about 53. So it's about 7 millimeters bigger than the factory shift knob. And it's a little bit taller. Like this one is 52 millimeters tall, and this one is about 64. So it's a 12 millimeters, half-inch taller. So if you just want a slightly taller shifter, we can make the threaded insert flush here, and you would get a roughly a half-inch longer or taller shifter. We could add 1-inch or 2-inch extension here if you want to go up even taller. So that works good if you have a body lift, because when you do a body lift, your shifter sinks into the floor. So by adding this extension, you can get the shift knob back up where it used to be before you did the body lift. Okay, there we screwed the extension on. I've got a little bit of super glue on the end. And I kind of like to have the shift pattern facing the driver's seat a little bit. And so we just shove it down there, and we'll let that super glue set up. And there we go. I think that is a wrap. Yeah, anyway, happy with the way that turned out. Hope you enjoyed that video, and as always, thanks for watching.